Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Today we're breaking down the 10 essential steps to achieve financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't just about having enough money. It's about having the flexibility and security to live life on your own terms. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your financial stability, this roadmap can guide you. These steps cover everything from budgeting basics to building wealth, so stick around until the end, where we'll share a bonus step that can supercharge your progress toward financial freedom. Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step toward financial freedom is defining what it means for you. Set specific, measurable goals for what you want to achieve financially. Do you want to pay off debt, buy a home, or retire early? Financial goals act as a roadmap, helping you prioritize your actions and make smart decisions with your money. Think of both short-term goals, like saving $1,000 in the next 3 months, and long-term goals, like reaching a certain net worth by retirement. Actionable tip. Write down 3 financial goals today. 1 for the short term, 1 for the midterm, and 1 for the long term. Make these goals specific and include target dates to keep you motivated. Step 2. Create a budget and track your expenses. Budgeting is one of the most powerful tools for financial freedom. A budget shows exactly where your money goes and helps you make conscious decisions about spending, saving, and investing. Financially successful people track their expenses closely so they can optimize their spending and allocate more funds toward their goals. There are many ways to budget, from using a spreadsheet to downloading budgeting apps. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick with it consistently. Actionable tip. Start by listing all of your income and expenses. Break your spending into categories like groceries, entertainment, and utilities, and set a monthly limit for each. Review your budget regularly to ensure you're staying on track. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is essential for financial freedom because it acts as a safety net in case of unexpected expenses, like car repairs or medical bills. This fund helps you avoid going into debt during emergencies and gives you peace of mind. Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This fund is for true emergencies only, not for vacations or non-essential purchases. Actionable tip. Start by saving $500, then gradually increase it to 1 month's worth of expenses. Automate a small monthly contribution to build your emergency fund over time. Fourth step. Pay off high-interest debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom, especially high-interest debt like credit card balances. High-interest rates make it challenging to pay off the principal amount, trapping people in a cycle of debt. By focusing on paying off this debt, you free up cash flow for saving and investing. Many people use methods like the debt avalanche, paying off highest interest debt first, or the debt snowball, paying off the smallest balance first, to tackle debt effectively. Actionable tip. List all of your debts, including the interest rates. Choose a strategy, like avalanche or snowball, and focus on making extra payments toward one debt while paying the minimum on others until each is paid off. Fifth step. Start saving for retirement. Building a retirement fund is essential for long-term financial freedom. By contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, you can take advantage of tax benefits and allow your money to grow over time through compound interest. The sooner you start saving for retirement, the more you benefit from compounding. If your employer offers a matching contribution, try to take full advantage of it. This match is essentially free money that can boost your retirement savings significantly. Actionable tip. If you haven't started yet, open a retirement account and set up automatic monthly contributions. Aim to contribute at least 10 to 15% of your income, but start with whatever amount you can afford. Sixth step. Diversify your income. Having multiple sources of income can provide more stability and faster progress toward financial freedom. Relying on a single income source is risky, especially if job loss or economic downturns occur. Successful people often have income streams from side businesses, freelance work, investments, or rental properties. Consider your skills, interests, and resources. Could you start a small online business, invest in dividend-paying stocks, or take on freelance work? The options are endless and can greatly accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Actionable tip: explore ways to create an additional income stream. Start small with a side hustle, freelance work, or investing in assets that generate passive income. 7th step: invest consistently. Investing is a critical step toward financial freedom because it allows your money to work for you. Investing regularly, even in small amounts, can lead to significant growth over time thanks to compound interest. Many financially independent individuals invest in diversified portfolios, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. If you're new to investing, consider starting with index funds or ETFs, which are low cost and provide broad market exposure. Here's an actionable tip: set up an automatic monthly investment. Begin with a small amount that you're comfortable with and increase it gradually over time. Consider a low-cost index fund if you're just starting out. 8th step: protect your assets. As you build wealth, protecting your assets becomes crucial. This involves having the right insurance policies, like health, life, and property insurance, to shield yourself from major financial losses. It's also essential to consider estate planning, like creating a will, to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Insurance is an investment in your financial security, giving you peace of mind that unexpected events won't derail your financial goals. Here's an actionable tip: review your current insurance coverage to ensure you're adequately protected. If you have significant assets, consider meeting with a financial advisor to discuss estate planning. Step 9: live below your means. One of the keys to financial freedom is living below your means. Financially successful people don't let their spending increase with their income. They maintain a modest lifestyle and save or invest the extra money. Living below your means frees up more cash flow for wealth-building activities. This habit requires conscious decision-making, focusing on value rather than impulse, and avoiding lifestyle inflation. Actionable tip: review your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Set a realistic budget that leaves room for saving and investing, and prioritize long-term goals over short-term wants. Step 10: educate yourself about personal finance. Knowledge is power, especially in personal finance. The more you understand about budgeting, investing, taxes, and debt management, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Financially successful people continually educate themselves on these topics, whether through books, courses, or conversations with advisors. By learning more about personal finance, you gain control over your financial destiny and avoid costly mistakes. Actionable tip: commit to learning something new about finance each month. Start with a personal finance book or take a basic investment course. The knowledge you gain will compound over time, just like your investments. Bonus step: find a financial mentor or community. Navigating the journey to financial freedom can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Many successful individuals have mentors or communities where they discuss financial goals, strategies, and challenges. A mentor or community provides support, accountability, and valuable insights that can speed up your progress. Having someone who has been through the journey and achieved financial freedom can help you avoid pitfalls and stay motivated. Actionable tip: reach out to someone you trust who is financially savvy or join a financial community, like a personal finance group on social media. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can be incredibly motivating. Achieving financial freedom is a long-term journey, but each of these 10 steps brings you closer to that goal. By following this roadmap and staying consistent, you can build the financial stability and independence you desire. Which step are you going to start working on today? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips and strategies. Remember, financial freedom is possible with the right plan and habits in place. Thanks for watching your Finance Lab, and we'll see you in the next video.